Man killed, 4-year-old wounded in St. Andrew gun attack. Fatal highway encounter between motorbike and a Mercedes-Benz. Teenage boy shot and injured at gaming lounge in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police are trying to determine a motive for Sunday night's deadly attack in Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew, which left a man and his 4-year-old child hospitalized with bullet wounds. Another adult was wounded in the attack and is receiving treatment for bullet wounds. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Romain Findlater, a resident of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. More details to come following further investigations. A man is dead and another undergoing treatment in hospital following a motor vehicle collision on the Discovery Bay Main Road along the Northern Coastal Highway in St. Anne on Sunday, July 28. Dead is Ryan Kellyman, a security guard of Brownstown, St. Anne. Reports indicate that about 7:45 p.m., Kellyman was driving a motorcycle along the roadway with a pillion passenger when the motorcycle collided with a Mercedes-Benz motorcar that was traveling in the opposite direction towards Discovery Bay. Following the collision, Kellyman and his passenger were taken to hospital, where Kellyman was pronounced dead and the pillion passenger was admitted for treatment. The driver of the motor car did not report any injuries. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. A 15-year-old boy was shot and injured in a drive-by shooting in Steertown, St. Anne on Monday night. About 7:30 p.m., the teenager was among patrons at the Flares Games and Sports Lounge when a vehicle reportedly drove up and several shots were fired from it. Following the shooting, it was discovered that the teenager suffered gunshot wounds to the neck and buttocks. He was taken to hospital where he was admitted for his injuries. The St. Anne's Bay Criminal Investigations Branch is conducting a probe into the matter.